Good morning, students. Today again we are with the chapter 8. Chapter 8 is of decimals, right? So now we are on the exercise 8.2. First question of 8.2 we have done in previous video. Now we will do key 2, which one is draw a place value chart and find the digit in the 100th place in the following numbers, right? So first of all, what we do, we will write the numbers. A 4 decimal 6 7 8. B 100 decimal 2 4 5. And C1 3 decimal 8 9 2. So highest number before the digit is also 3 and after the decimal is also 3. So in between there is unit, or you can say ones. After that tens, and then 100, right? Now after unit this side will come tenths. इस साइड क्या आएगा बेटा? टेंथ्स, हंड्रेड्स एंड थाउजेंड्स. Right? So now draw the line. These are like this. You have to draw the place value chart. Right? Now complete this line. What we have to do in this chart is just simple. Find the digit in the 100th place. हमें 100th place पे digits find out करनी. Now in this 100th place means the digit on the second place after the decimal. So in this the digit at the 100th place is 7. In this 4 and in this 9. Right? You have to just find the digits which are at the place of 100. Now, key third, the integral part of a decimal number consists of the first 3 natural numbers placed in the ascending order from left to right. Again, the decimal part, first of all, integral part is the which part? ये डेसिमल है 3 4 डेसिमल 5 6. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? इंटीग्रल पार्ट. What we call this? Integral part. Now, and this one is decimal part. Right? इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? डेसिमल पार्ट. फ्रैक्शन नंबर्स में भी क्या था बेटा? लाइक दिस 3 4 by 5. सो 3 तो हमारा क्या होता है ऑलवेज? इंटीग्रल पार्ट. एंड 4 by 5 इज फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट. राइट? सो इन डेसिमल द नंबर लेफ्ट साइड में क्या होगा? इंटीग्रल पार्ट. एंड डेसिमल के राइट साइड में डेसिमल पार्ट. So now according to that, K third question is K third, integral part of a decimal number consists of first 3 natural number. आपने फर्स्ट चैप्टर में स्टडी किया है फर्स्ट 3 नेचुरल नंबर्स. नेचुरल नंबर स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम 1. सो फर्स्ट 3 नेचुरल नंबर 1 2 3 in ascending order. Ascending order from left to right. Ascending means firstly small, then big, then bigger. Left to right. Now the decimal part, it means अब यहाँ पे क्या आ गया? Decimal of the number comprises the first 3 natural number in descending order. Now for decimal part, 3 natural number, again this 1 2 3. और ये नंबर्स कैसे अरेंज किए गए हैं? डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में, मीन्स बिगर वन विल कम फर्स्ट, देन स्मॉलर. नाउ find the number and represent it in expanded form. So number is this, right? So expanded form of this 123 decimal 3 to 1. For 1 100, 23 20 plus 3. ये आप सेकेंड क्लास फर्स्ट क्लास से करते आ रहे हैं. 100 प्लस 20 प्लस 3. नाउ डेसिमल के प्लेस पे प्लस 3 जो है वो फर्स्ट नंबर है, इट मीन्स 3/10. आफ्टर दैट 2 प्लस 2/100 प्लस 1/1000. राइट. नाउ दिस इज अबाउट द एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म विच इज फ्रैक्शनल एक्सपेंशन. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Fractional expansion. Now if you have to write it in decimal expansion, how you will write? 100 plus 20 plus 3 plus decimal 3 plus decimal 2 plus decimal 1, right? So this is about the expanded form of decimal numbers. Now S1, find the difference between the face value and place value of the underlined digits. Now we have to find the difference. S1 difference, what do we have to find? Difference between face value and place value, means place value minus face value, right? So now first number is, face value क्या होती है बेटा? The exact value, and place value means on which place that digit exists. So now first is 10 decimal 9 and the underlying digit is 0. So place value of 0 is, in this 0 at the place of unit place, and unit place means number multiply with 1, right? यूनिट प्लेस पे हम किससे मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं? नंबर को 1 से. सो 0 मल्टीप्लाई विद 1 इक्वल्स टू 0. सो डिफरेंस इक्वल्स टू प्लेस वैल्यू 0 माइनस फेस वैल्यू ऑलरेडी 0. 0 minus 0 is 0, राइट? बिकॉज जो हमें नंबर अंडरलाइन किया गया है दैट नंबर इज एट द प्लेस ऑफ यूनिट प्लेस, एंड यूनिट प्लेस पे अगर आप किसी नंबर को, यूनिट प्लेस का मीन्स क्या होता है? मल्टीप्लाई विद 1. टेंस प्लेस पे मल्टीप्लाई विद 10. 100 प्लेस पे मल्टीप्लाई विद 100, राइट? सो मल्टीप्लाई विद 1, 0 मल्टीप्लाई विद 1 इज 0. So place value of underline 0 is 0, and face value means exact number. It means again 0 minus 0 is 0. B part 2 decimal 071. Underline is 2. Again unit place, and unit place means multiply with 1. 2 multiply 1, 2. So difference equals to 2 minus face value. Face value of 2 is 2. So 2 minus 2 is 0, right? Now C part, which is like this. C part 1 decimal 28. Underline is 2. See, underline 2. ये कौन सा प्लेस है बेटा? आफ्टर डेसिमल 10th प्लेस, राइट. And 10th place means number divided by 10. It means 2 by 10, right? Now difference 2 by 10 place value. Understand how it comes. जो डिजिट है आपकी वो 10th प्लेस पे है आफ्टर द डेसिमल, एंड 10th प्लेस मीन्स नंबर डिवाइड बाय 10. ये हमने प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट में स्टडी किया था. 10th प्लेस मीन्स नंबर डिवाइड बाय 10. सो 2 बाय 10 माइनस फेस वैल्यू इज ऑफ 2 विच इज सेम. डाउन साइड नथिंग, इट मीन्स व्हाट कम 1. 10 ones are 10. LCM is 10. 10 divided by 10 2. 10 divided by 1 10. 10 twos are 20, right? 2 minus 20 which comes here 18. 18 by 10 what come 18 by 10 which means 1 decimal 8 means 1 decimal 8, right? So this is about the difference between the face value and the place value. Now write the following numbers in expanded form. Now S2 is expanded form. We have to write the expanded form. Numbers are A part 2 decimal. First number is 2 decimal 3. So see 2 is at the unit place, so 2 will remain right as it is, plus 3 decimal के बाद first digit है 3 by 10, right? Because after decimal the place is 10th place. 10th means divide by 10, right? And hundredths means divide by 100. So 3 at the place of 10th means 3 by 10. Now B 8 decimal 001. So 8 कहाँ पे है? यूनिट प्लेस पे, राइट एज इट इज, प्लस 0 by 10 plus 0 by 100 plus 1 by 1000, because 1 at the place of thousandth, right? Now C part 1 decimal 639 which is equals to 1 plus 6 by 10 plus 3 by 100 and plus 9 by 1000, right? This is the way to expand the numbers. Now next one, S3 question says number are already given to in the expanded forms. नंबर क्या है? एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म में गिवन है, हमें उन्हें डेसिमल फॉर्म में राइट डाउन करना है, राइट? सो द नंबर विल बी लाइक दिस. हाउ यू हैव टू express in decimal form. For that, first A is 4 plus 2 by 10 plus 4 by 100. See 4 के पहले भी कोई नंबर नहीं है, बाद में भी कोई नंबर्स नहीं है. दे आर डाउन साइड. मल्टीप्लाई में अगर नहीं है, इट मीन्स 4 डेसिमल 2 by 10, इट मीन्स इट कम्स ऑन विच पोजिशन? 10th. और 10th पोजिशन कब आती है? जस्ट आफ्टर द डेसिमल. नाउ सेकेंड वन इज 4 by 100, 100th. It means this. B part 0 plus 2 by 10 plus 1 by 100 plus 9 by 1000. 0 0 decimal. 2 by 10 it means 10th position. 1 by 100 second position. 9 by 1000 third position, right? So then decimal form is 0.219. Now C part. 80 plus 3 plus 1 by 10 plus 0 by 100 plus 3 by 1000. So how you will do, आप firstly observe करेंगे बेटा कि डाउन साइड मल्टीप्लाई में नंबर्स हाउ मेनी वी आर हैविंग. देयर आर टू नंबर्स 80 plus 3. 80 plus 3 means 83. After that decimal 1 by 10. So 1 is at the first position, 0 by 100 second, and 3 by 1000 it means third one at the 1000th position. 10th, 100th, 1000th, right? So this is the way to express the expanded form in the decimal form. Now S4 is find the sum of the place value and the face value of the underlying digits in the following decimal number. See, हमने difference find out किया था. In S4 question we will find the sum. Means हम face value और place value को add करेंगे, right? S4 is sum of face value and place value, right? In this A part 3.89, underline word is 8. So place value is 8 by 10. ये क्या होगी आपकी place value, plus face value will be the same, right? Again downside nothing, it means 1. LCM will be 10. 10 divided by 10 1. 1 multiply with 8 1 plus 10 divided by 1 10, right? And plus 8 80. This become 80 plus 8 88 by 10, which is 8.8, right? Now B part 3.045. Underline is 4. 4 at which place? Again place value 4 by 100 plus 4. So now up 4 by 100 को can you write like this? Of course we can write like this, right? Now plus face value 4. So 4 plus decimal 04. The answer will be 4.04. आंसर क्या होगा आपका 4.04. Now C1 0.001. Underline word is 0. Again place value is 0 by 100 plus face value 0. So answer is 0 by 100 plus 0 is simply 0, right? So this is about the sum of face value and the place value. Now next one is A1. Two athletes cover a distance of 100 meter in 9.854 second and 9.841 second. Find the difference between the place value of the digit 4 in both the numbers. So it is, in this they are talking about two athletes. फर्स्ट वन 9.854 सेकेंड में कवर करते हैं एंड सेकेंड वन 9.841 सेकेंड में. वट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू फाइंड द डिफरेंस, राइट, बिटवीन देयर प्लेस वैल्यू. दोनों में प्लेस वैल्यूज़ में हमें डिफरेंस फाइंड आउट करना है. सो फॉर दिस, in this place value of 4, 1 2 3 4 by 1000, and in this place value of 4 equals to 4 by 100. It is at the place here and here. We have to find the difference. 4 by 1000 minus 4 by 100. LCM is 1000 because they both are the multiple of 10. 1000 divided by 1001, 1 multiply with 4, 4. 1000 divided by 100, 10, and 10 multiply with 4, 40, which is equals to 40 minus 4, 36 by 1000. Again downside number of zeros 1 2 3. So how we will write? Decimal 036. So what will come? Decimal 036. One more way you can do like this. See, 1 2 3. One digit, decimal 004, minus 1 2 digit, it means decimal 04. If you subtract, how we will subtract it? Answer is same in both the condition. सी, हमारे पास यहाँ पे 3 डिजिट्स है, वहाँ पे 2 है, हम उसको भी 3 करेंगे. डेसिमल 040 एंड डेसिमल 004 minus 10 minus 4, 6, 3 as it is, 0 as it is, and decimal will be same. So answer will be same in both the condition. As you like, you can write. This is about A1 question. वहाँ पे हमने क्या किया है, 2 digits we are having, हमने दोनों की place values को find out किया. ये thousands place पे है, it means 4 by 1000, and this 4 is at the place of 100th, 4 by 100. Now difference, subtract. सी बेटा, ये गिवन नहीं है आपको कि आपको फर्स्ट में से सेकंड को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है या सेकंड से फर्स्ट को, तो हमने जर्नली सब्ट्रैक्ट किया है इसको. यहाँ पे माइनस वैल्यू कंटेन नहीं होगी, यहाँ पे माइनस का साइन इसलिए नहीं आएगा बिकॉज हमें सिंपली एक डिफरेंस बताना है दोनों प्लेस वैल्यूज़ में, राइट. नाउ A2, a 10-year-old child needs approximately 58.57 gram of fat a day for proper development of the brain, right. Now in A2, 58.57. What we have to do? Find the sum of the place value of the digit 5 in given amount. This one and this one, we have to find the sum. So place value of this, place value of 5 is at the place of 10th, means 5 multiplied 10, which come 50. And for the second place value of 5, first at the place of 10th means divide by 10. So what comes here? Decimal 5. Now we have to find the sum. 50 plus 0.5. नाउ यहाँ पे डेसिमल नहीं है, इट मीन्स हम इसको किसके साथ ऐड करेंगे, ज़ीरो के साथ. 50 प्लस 0, 50 decimal 5, right? So the sum of the place values of the digit 5 in the given amount is 50 decimal 5, right? Now third one is the weight of an apple is 0 decimal 33 kg. A student writes the given weight as 33 hundredths of a kilogram. Explain the error and write the correct representation of the number in words. Now third is like this. Now a third. See, weight of an apple. How much weight of an apple is 0 decimal 33 kilogram. Right? Now what the student write? Weight as 33 hundredth of a kilogram. It means the weight of an apple according to student is 330 gram, right? Because it is saying decimal 33 hundredth of a kilogram. So 33 hundredth of a kilogram is by 1000, 1, 2, 3. It means like this. But the weight of apple is 33 thousandths of a kilogram. 33 thousandths means downside will come thousand. So it is about the weight of the apple and the error by the student. अगर आप यहाँ पे 330 किलोग्राम ग्राम्स करते हैं, बट हमें जो वेट गिवन है वो 33,000 ऑफ अ किलोग्राम गिवन है, राइट? It was the error. Now this is about the exercise 8.2 in which we have studied about the expanded form of decimal, right? Decimal form, place values of decimals, place value of decimals, face value of face value of decimals, sum and difference, right? These topics we have covered in today's video about all this, and tomorrow we will study about the comparing and ordering of decimal numbers, right? Means how you will compare the decimal number, how you will know the decimal which one is greater, which one is smaller, and how to arrange the decimal number in ascending order and descending order, right? So for tomorrow our topic is comparing and ordering decimals, right? So till today what you have to do, you have to just do exercise 8.2 in your notebook and read page number 12 and 13. Okay.